Moths slightly ruin carpets, clothing, and pantry items, making prevention a top priority for homeowners. The demand for effective moth prevention solutions has grown as people seek ways to protect their valuables while keeping homes safe and chemical-free. This guide evaluates. List number 1. Dr. Killigan's premium double-potent clothing moth traps are highly effective in controlling and monitoring moth populations in carpets, closets, and storage areas. Using specialized pheromones, these traps attract adult moths, preventing them from reproducing and spreading. Each trap can catch hundreds of moths, offering long-lasting protection for months. The traps are simple to use. Place them in areas where moths are likely to appear, such as along carpet edges, under furniture, or near closets. Non-toxic and odorless, they are safe to use around pets and children. The adhesive surface ensures moths are securely captured, minimizing the risk of infestation. Homeowners appreciate the dual-strength formula, which enhances effectiveness without relying on harmful chemicals. The traps are discreet and blend seamlessly with your home environment, making them ideal for daily use. Overall, Dr. Killigan's premium clothing moth traps offer. List number. The 6 feet under plant-powered insect killer spray is a natural, eco-friendly solution for preventing moths in carpets and other home areas. Formulated with plant-based ingredients, it targets moths and other common household insects without the use of harsh chemicals. This spray is ideal for spot treatment on carpets, furniture, or storage areas. Simply spray lightly in affected areas to repel moths and prevent larvae from hatching. Users appreciate that it is safe to use around children and pets, unlike traditional chemical insecticides. The spray's effectiveness comes from a blend of essential oils that act as natural repellents. It's easy to apply, dries quickly, and leaves no residue or strong odor. Regular use helps maintain a moth-free environment while protecting carpets and other fabrics. List 3. Professor Killamoth Cedar chips and lavender sachets are a natural and fragrant way to prevent moth infestations in carpets and closets. Each sachet contains aromatic cedar chicks infused with lavender, both known for repelling moths naturally. The pack includes 20 sachets, providing extensive coverage for multiple areas in your home. Place them along carpet edges, under furniture, or in closets to protect against moth larvae and eggs. The combination of cedar and lavender not only repels moths, but also leaves a pleasant scent in your living space. Users appreciate the long-lasting protection offered by these sachets. They are non-toxic, safe for pets and children, and require minimal maintenance. Once the fragrance begins to fade, simply shake or replace the sachets to maintain effectiveness. Overall, list number 4. The Dr. Killigan's premium pantry moth traps are designed to prevent moth infestations that could spread to carpets, stored textiles, or food items. Featuring a high-strength pheromone formula, these traps attract and capture adult moths before they can lay eggs. Ideal for placement near storage areas, kitchens, or carpets adjacent to food storage, these traps provide proactive protection. Each trap features a durable adhesive surface that ensures moths are effectively captured. The traps are discreet, odorless, and safe to use around children and pets, making them convenient for everyday home use. Reviewers appreciate the long-lasting potency and easy setup. By catching moths before they reproduce, these traps reduce the risk of widespread infestations. List number 5. Richard's Homewares Mothaway Sachets provide a simple, non-toxic method for protecting carpets and fabrics from moth damage. Each sachet contains natural ingredients that repel moths effectively without harmful chemicals. These sachets are versatile and can be placed along carpet edges, in storage areas, or under furniture. They are discreet, odorless, and safe to use around children and pets. Homeowners report that regular placement of these sachets helps maintain a moth-free environment and protects carpets from larvae and adult moth activity. Easy to refresh and maintain, the sachets provide long-lasting protection. Their compact design allows them to fit in corners or hidden spaces while still being effective.